Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ke Sarkar Jilla kala ais ngobha hadu khatsan akar ke Jaka Hamau Khanu Shaka North East United Football Club nagabenta ban seng ni ke Islam ajing hikai football hagani ke Jilla. Haba pen pau hagilat pathai kubor kasni palai jong katayo u CEO ke North East United Mandar Tamhane ula pen pau ba 4 Julap ni ke Jilla jong ke India ban yo ke bakum gini gilat jingerap kumba ke Meghalaya kala le nagabenta ban kenteu ke jingele kai football. Ulia thu bakate ke Jaka ansa IT shaka NEUFC au kala lingkot lani ubnai rempang jong snem arajar arpusan kenang ban sedang ban penbha yaka.
I've been in Indian football for the past 25 years, and the kind of support that we are receiving from the government of Meghalaya is something which I've not seen anywhere in any other state in India. Apart from obviously Meghalaya Tourism being our partner, we are very happy that the Meghalaya government has given us 15 acres land on the outskirts of Shillong to develop our residential academy. So this is the second part apart from Meghalaya Tourism being our partner. With the grassroots football, there is something that we are working with the Department of Sports, Government of Meghalaya, where we are trying to reach out to different districts, different villages for further lower age groups like under 7s, under 9s, under 11s, under 13s. And obviously the idea is also then to, with the help of the government, to see if we can host the Indian Super League matches in Shillong going forward. We have been given the allotment letter by the government a month back. By maybe January, February, the land will be handed over to us because the land is not a plain land, it's a topographical land which needs to be flattened, so to say. And once that is done, which should be maybe in January of 2025 or February of 2025, and then obviously we will start the construction of the work, which will take maybe a year and a half to 2 years, and then obviously we will be functional with the residential academy.